Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C51, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and in here we're going to scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by performing this factory reset. Now, this list includes things like your Google account, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, to be completely honest, the only things that you need to actually worry about are things like music, photos, and user data. The things that you put on the device yourself. For instance, the first three options, like downloaded your Google accounts, it just signs them out. It doesn't delete the account. System and app data, again, you can just re-download the apps, which you can do on any device, and then you will automatically regain basically the data from this as well, so it doesn't really matter. So if you have anything like music, photos, user data that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, select Erase All Data, do so once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.